I'm going to help walk you through some of the homework. So it says you are on a treasure diving ship that is hunting for gold and silver coins. You reel in a wire basket that contains gold and silver coins, among other things. The basket holds no more than 800 ounces of material. Each gold coin weighs about 0.5 ounces, and each silver coin weighs about 0.25 ounces. You want to know the different numbers of each types of coins that could be in the basket. We're going to use this information for questions 10 through 12. So question 10 says, write an inequality that models the weight in the basket. It doesn't tell us which variables to use here, so I am going to use a G for gold coins and an S for silver, so we don't have to guess which one's X and which one's Y. Okay, now how much does a gold coin weigh? 0.5 G plus, how much does a silver coin weigh? 0.25 S. And the basket holds no more than 800 ounces. So this is what's in the basket. Could that be more than 800? Greater than 800? No. It has to be less than 800. Could it be exactly equal to 800? Sure. So that's what your inequality symbol should look like. Okay. Now, what you need to do for question 11 is you need to guess and check. Okay, you're going to give 3 answers, 3 ordered pairs, gold, comma, silver, to this inequality above. So kind of like the Axel and Anisa question where they gave you 100, comma, 50, and you said yes, it's a solution, or no, it's not a solution. You're just going to throw out random numbers. So I could say 400, comma, 200, and I'm going to guess and check to see if this is a solution. So what that means is I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to plug in 400 for G and 200 in for S and see if it works. So this 400 is going to go right here for G, and this 200 is going to go right there for S. So I'm going to write it out, and this is how I would type it into my calculator. And I'm going to take the time to plug it in. And my point works because when I typed it in, I got 250, and that's less than or equal to 800. So this point works, but this is my point. That's not your point, so you got to come up with 3 points on your own. Okay, you could choose 500, comma, 600. Think about coins are small. Look how big that basket was, so choose some high numbers. 800, comma, 300. See if they work. So come up with 3 ordered pairs, 3 points that are solutions that give us a true statement when we plug them in. And then I need you to explain, so use some words, why there cannot be 400 gold coins, this is G, and 2,800 silver coins in your basket. And then I put a line here kind of dividing this because this is a new problem. And you are just going to write it like we did in the book with Axel and Anisa. X stands for Mitch, Y stands for Mindy, and this is the total amount of money. So you can read the problem, and I want you to set up question 13. Don't overthink it. Look back in your book if you need help with that question.